How does Sophi Site Automation work? How does it automate content curation, surfacing the content that drives the most value for your organization? Let's take a look. Sophi Site Automation begins with your Sophi score, a compound measure of what drives value for your business. The Sophi score looks beyond page views and clicks. It ignores what's merely popular to uncover the content that's moving the needle on the metrics that matter the most to you. The colored sections of the score show the different ways you can be successful. Changing the weighting of your score encourages the activities that will lead to more of what you want to see happen. So if we modify the weighting to reflect the need to drive acquisition and retention, then your content is scored and curated to reflect those goals. When it comes to site automation, Sophi analyzes all the content across all your digital properties every 10 minutes. So here at the moment of publication, you can see all your website content ordered from A to F before anything has been optimized by Sophi. In this example, the Sophi score is tuned to optimize curation for content that drives subscriptions. Here at the 10-minute mark, we see Article F got 3,000 clicks. If everyone who reads Article F subscribes immediately afterwards, Article F's Sophi score increases and correspondingly moves up to a more valuable place on your web page. 20 minutes in, we see Article B gets 1,000 clicks. But all 1,000 clicks were followed by the users bouncing. Sophi penalizes this article, decreasing its Sophi score, and moves it to a less valuable place on your website. However, this is Sophi oversimplified. There are a few nuances it's important to understand. Your editorial team trains Sophi on what's allowed to go where. For example, business content can only go in your business and investing sections. Your editorial team is always in control. Simple Slack or Microsoft Teams commands ensure that editors can override Sophi's decisions when they believe it's necessary, and Sophi learns from those overrides in the moment and doesn't make that same decision again. The Sophi score uses a partial attribution model, so maybe all 3,000 clicks to the first article don't lead those readers to subscribe immediately after reading. Many left the site, came back the next day, read 2 more articles, and then subscribed. Sophi will still credit the first article with contributing to all of those subscriptions. Sophi can personalize your user experience too through segmented optimization. Different groups of users, for example from different social platforms or different geographies, see different versions of your website depending on what content will lead them to subscribe versus remain engaged. What also makes Sophi Site Automation unique is that it eliminates promotion bias. It's easy to look at the story that was featured at the top of your homepage with a big image for an entire day and see that it got more views than the article with a small headline and no image hidden near the bottom of your page. Sophi looks past this, penalizing content that received more promotion and boosting the Sophi score of content that got less to compare apples to apples. Let's talk about how Sophi Site Automation can help you reach your goals.